So you're thinking about moving north of Atlanta? Great choice. Today we are in Woodstock, Georgia. This is the east side of Woodstock, and this is a Toll Brothers community. The plan that we're going to see today is the Hendricks model, and it is just absolutely stunning. These homes are just being constructed. There's plenty to choose from here, and another phase coming soon as well. Sorry, it's a little windy here today, but it's also bright and sunny, as you can see. We're going to go in and take a look at this model home, and it is going to blow you away. But first, let me just show you quickly around this community. So here we are, standing at the model at the front of the community, and you can see there's a lot of construction going on here. And as I said, much more to come as well. These are farmhouse style homes, and they just have lots of options to choose from. There's large yards here, so you got plenty of space between your neighbors. And this is the home we're going to tour. Again, this is the Hendricks plan. So let's get out here so we can actually see the front. Isn't that beautiful? This model home actually has 6 bedrooms and 6 baths, but that's including a finished basement where there's a bedroom and a full bath. Okay, as we enter this home, there's an office directly to the left. We come straight into the dining area. Check this out. I know you love that. Windows all the way to the ceiling, just lots of natural light in these homes. We have a little breakfast area here in the kitchen. Beautiful cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Pantry area here. Island with room for 4 bar stools, quartz countertops, double ovens. It's your dining room. Check out this gas cooktop. High-end appliances. And just off the kitchen is a very nice sized deck. Ceiling fan. Wooded backyards, which is lovely. Now on the main level, I have a coat closet here. This of course is your 2-car garage. And there is a guest room. Also very light filled. Beautiful wood wall there. This goes into the full bath that is on the main level. Tile all the way to the ceiling. Now heading back into the living area. Look at these gorgeous stairs heading down. And we'll go check that out in just a few minutes. As we approach the top of the stairs, just look at that view. It is incredible. You have your laundry to the left. Cabinets above, washer and dryer. Come into this amazing primary suite that also overlooks the backyard. And I think I could just camp out in this primary bathroom. Check this out. Oh my. The water closet. The soaking tub. So much counter space here. The dual vanities. There's your linen closet. Very nice shower with 2 shower heads and 2 insets and a bench and an amazing closet system. We will head on over to the other side where there are an additional 3 bedrooms and ensuite baths. There's 1 bedroom on the back side. I said full bath. Bedroom with walk-in closet. Another bedroom. So many things you can do here. Check out the ceiling. Ensuite bath here as well. And a walk-in closet. 1 more bedroom on this level. Look at that shower. Yes, that's tile, not wallpaper. Okay, let's go take a look downstairs. It's amazing. So as you come down the stairs to the terrace level, there is unfinished storage area here. Also your mechanical room. Lots of room here. And you come out into this great living space. Again, so much light, even in the terrace level. Have a little bar area here. Full bath. Shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. Access to the bedroom on this level. Again, more windows. Look at this beautiful room. And a full walk-in closet. And of course, there's plenty of space for games and fun. The ping pong table, you could have a pool table here. And just look at all this space. Card tables. And let's check out the outside. Listen to the breeze. Oh, wow. An outdoor fireplace. Plenty of relaxing room. Outdoor kitchen. Check that out. Granite countertop. Refrigerator. Anything you need. Just a beautiful space. Well, that concludes our tour of the Toll Brothers Holly Farm Community Hendricks model. Thank you so much for touring this with us. If I can help you in any way, all of my contact information is below. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future tours.